everyone! These are pretty exciting times because it's only a few weeks before we meet our baby girl for the first time. So these last few weeks, Max and I have been really busy trying to gather and buy all of the essentials for the baby. That's including like baby products, all of the essentials such as strollers, car seats, and for this week we thought we'd compile a small video opening some of those boxes.
So over the last couple of weeks, we also learned why a lot of people say that having babies are expensive. And I think part of the reason is babies need a lot of essentials. And today, we are unboxing all of this. So most of these items are from our baby registry, so you'll notice that there's a lot of Amazon boxes. But aside from that, I also registered and created an account on different baby registries, and I receive a lot of freebies, and we're going to show them to you later. We also receive a lot of gifts from our friends and family and our own purchases.
I think this is going to be very exciting because even though we know what we put on the baby registry, we specifically don't know which box is which, and we've been holding on to this for quite a few weeks. So let's get started. Which do you want to open first?
Here's a lot. I think I want to open the small packages from Amazon.
Maybe I'll pick mine too.
You got the big one. Opening the first package.
That one.
I'm not sure. It's a nail file for the baby.
Oh, I remember that one. That came from Amazon, right?
Yes, it's from our gift registry. Babies have very soft nails, I think. So they have to use this special nail file for cutting their nails.
So it's kind of like not like adults where you could just instantly clip the nails of the baby, right?
So cute, and it's pink.
It's nice to know that she's already gonna have nice fingernails.
Yes. Down. Next.
Oh! It's a mirror for the baby when the baby is in the car. So you have like a small thermometer in there as well. So you know how hot or how cold the baby would be. Probably need some batteries. I'm gonna leave the plastic on for now. I was wondering why the numbers are upside down.
Because you're using a rearview mirror.
So I thought that this is actually the sensor for the thermometer, but it's actually this one. It's like a small antenna that comes with the box, and then what you do is just put it inside, and then we notice that the numbers change as soon as you do that. So that's the thermometer.
Get this one. Oh! Baby bibs. The bibs for the baby. We know that babies always like burp and spill some milk, so this is nice that you can put it around their neck.
We need lots of those.
Lots of those, so it came in a pack.
Oh, okay. Comes in a cute packaging too.
So oh, it's another item that I ordered in Amazon.com because it's not available in .ca. So this is a baby nasal aspirator. And what's special about this is there's lights and there's sound. So if you're not familiar what a baby aspirator is, basically a device that will suck your baby's boobies. I don't know how to explain it, but...
Perfect explanation.
Yes, I can't wait to try this to the baby. Oh, wow. Came with a case. Wow. So it says here, keep the storage tank upward while sucking booger. Otherwise, the booger will backflow. Oh my gosh, we don't want that to happen.
Take this one. It's pretty light and you can hear things inside. Might be a toy. One thing that we actually learned recently is babies don't see a lot when they come out. They don't recognize color, and the most thing that they recognize are like contrasted images. That's why this toy has like mostly black and white, because that's what the baby recognizes. I guess I'm taking this one.
car seat cover. So this one is a car seat cover for our car seat, which we're going to unbox later.
Oh, I think this is a sound machine.
Oh, that's so nice.
So for soothing the baby when she's sleeping or you're trying to get her to sleep. So I think we specifically chose this sound machine because it's pretty lightweight and I think it's made for travel because you can instantly just put it in the bag and just use it when you're on the road. Someone's needing a break.
So tiring.
Max is 34 weeks right now, which is, our baby is the size of a cantaloupe, I think.
Yep.
Or as heavy as a cantaloupe right now. That's why she's getting a little bit tired just by moving and picking up packages.
So pregnancy-wise, I think I'm doing well. Aside from the baby's getting so heavy, she moves quite a lot now. So we've been doing a lot of doctor checkups, appointments, making sure that the baby is good and healthy.
A lot.
It's normal for it to be fast when they're moving around.
From the moment that we met.
31 centimeters.
Right on track. Okay, so what my hands tell me today is your baby is head down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it sure feels head down to me. So now you're having one of those Braxton Hicks contractions. Can you feel your tummy and feel how rock hard it is? Yeah, very different. Yeah, rock hard. So that's the Braxton Hicks contraction. And if you look at your belly, it's changed shape.
Yeah, it's kind of like circular now.
So I'll show you here.
You watch the sun as it slowly crept
Like the bone.
from the horizon.
Does he have? Yeah.
Place
So that's when you release head down.
this could be the best thing.
We just want to quickly mention that we're doing a giveaway and you can win one of these Polyver winter boots just in time for the holidays. So after watching this video, make sure you head over to our Instagram to find out how you're gonna win one of these amazing boots. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna have to bring the packages to Max. Underneath.
I think I kind of know what this is. So this one is from Amazon and I think I'm the one who ordered this as well. This one is a ear picker. It's shaped as a bee and it has a magnifying glass and a light. So when you pick the baby's ears, you can see it clearly.
This one, I've been actually waiting for quite a while to buy one of this. And for the longest time, I was trying to decide what to pick. Is a car sticker. And I think what I love about this is it's reflective. So when the headlights are on, the car behind you, they also see it.
Oh! It's the water dispenser.
Water warmer. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay.
Yeah. So this is great for making the baby's milk in the middle of the night because you don't want to wait until the water is warm. So this one is already ready and so all you have to do is press the button and the warm water will pour in the bottle. It also has the lighting function. So when it's dark and it's night, there's a light in it.
So we're gonna have to deal with this later. What is this?
Oh, I ordered it.
After Max filling me in on what this is, these are mosquito patches that you can put on your diaper bag so when you go out into the outdoors with the baby, where do you put it?
You can put it in the shirt, in the stroller.
Oh, so she doesn't get any bugs.
So we pretty much gone through all of the small Amazon items. But before we move on to the big boxes, I just want to share what you can get for free here in Canada by registering in the baby registries. Please follow it. It's a lot. I pretty much signed up for all of the baby registries that I can find. And one of the benefits from that is you will receive some loot bags, goodies, free samples that you can use for your baby. So the first one here is a baby toy from Amazon. So one of our main baby registry is from Amazon. As you can see, we unboxed a lot of items from there.
And when you finish setting up the registry, they give you this toy in return.
Next one, I got this box from Sampler. So Sampler is not really a baby company, but they send out different samples from different companies and they give it out as a sample for you. So this one, I have a sample of Huggies diapers. So there's 3 newborn diapers in there. So another box here is from London Drugs. So if you guys don't know, London Drugs also have this baby's registry. So open it. So there are D drops. So vitamins for the baby. We can add this in our diaper bag. Some tissues. Cream. Oh, this one is a full size 3-in-1 diaper rash cream. Wet wipes. And a magnetic storage guide for storing breast milk. Moving on to the next box, it's Pampers. Free sample of baby detergent. I will need baby detergent. Oh, a lot of samples of diapers in there.
And because Pampers, as you know, is a diaper company.
Yep, and some coupons inside. Moving on to the loot bags. So the first loot bag is from Bye Bye Baby. So you can get this loot bag just by signing up at their baby registry as well. So inside the loot bag, you have this bottles, another bottle. So it's nice that they have 2 bottles. Oh, another bottle. So there's 3 bottles inside.
Because we're gonna need a lot of that.
There's a sample of No Rinse cleansing water, baby lotion, pacifier, moisturizing lotion, baby on board sticker. Well, it's not a sticker, it's a sign.
Yeah.
And some book and coupons.
So quite a lot from Bye Bye Baby, hey?
Yeah, it's quite a lot. And if you're going to buy something, they give you this 20% off discount. So for the next one, it's from Target. So we drove all the way to Seattle just to get this loot bag. So I saw online that Target have a very good loot bag with lots of goodies inside. So it's quite heavy too. So in here we have stretch mark lotion, e-wipes, bright water, a sample of this luxury diaper. Wow, luxury diaper. Huggies diaper, wipes, 3 wipes from different brands so you can see which one you like. Breastfeeding samples, a bottle, baby detergent, a wash and shampoo sample. So last but not the least, it's not really from a baby registry, but it's from a baby expo that we went after coming back from our trip in Hawaii. So the baby expo, I believe, happens only once a year and it was held in Canada Place.
So a little bit more information about the Baby Expo. It's called the Baby Show. There is some admission on it, so you would have to pay just to get in the door. But we found a promo code during that time which gave us buy one get one, so we only paid 1 ticket for the both of us. And it's technically a place where all of the good baby brands are there trying to sample their stuff and give you more information for your pregnancy and for your baby.
We also get to meet Sesame Street, Cookie Monster, and Elmo was there. Here are some of the items we got. So since there's 2 of us, some of the items are double. So first one is a magazine. It comes with burp cloth samples with this diaper rash sample. So we got 2 of those. Laundry detergent samples. Lots of baby shampoo and wash sample and some lotion. Samples of electrolytes. These cute little socks. There's also this one booth. It's called Quark. And we won these items. So this one is like a pacifier, but you put fruits inside. And this one is for safety corners, so you're just going to put it on edges.
Baby proofing.
Yeah, for baby proofing. I think that's about it.
So this one, although is a pretty big box, but it's going to be pretty light. It's the backpack for the baby. So this one was from Amazon as well, from the registry. So this is pretty much a back support. So since the baby isn't capable of sitting down yet, they would just be lying down here while they take a bath.
Ooh, there's a lot of stuff inside. We have some washcloths, this very big muslin. So this one is used for bathing the baby and swaddling her. And a toy. boy when she's feeding.
I feel like our little girl is gonna have a lot of fun while bathing.
Yes.
Looks like we're down to a few boxes left, but before we move on to the car seat and the stroller, I wanted to open this one, this last one. Ooh. Oh, sterilizer! So this is a bottle sterilizer which will sterilize, dry, and store the bottles of baby. So the last few items are pretty much the bigger ones, and I'm so excited for this because I've been wanting to open these boxes since we got them. So this is the car seat, which is the Nuna Pipa, so that's the brand and model that we chose. And together with it is going to be the Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2, which is the stroller.
Let's open the stroller first.
Okay, starting with the smaller one.
So I think it's already assembled, right?
Yeah, it looks like it. So the main reason why we chose Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2 as our stroller is the portability and compactness of the stroller. Because eventually we're gonna have to travel again with the baby, so this is cabin approved and is probably the smallest stroller that we've seen that is packed as light and as small as this. So this is pretty much just the skeleton of the stroller. We still need the bassinet that goes for the stroller, but this is very compatible with the Nuna Pipa. But what you do is pretty much, if you're out there, you wanted to use the stroller, you just pull it out. And then when you're done and you wanted to go in the plane, there you go. You just carry this until you can put it on the cabinets.
First car seat.
It's one big unit. I was getting ready to assemble something.
Everything seems to be assembled already.
Alright. I guess that's pretty much it, hey? So initially for the car seat we were looking for the Nuna Pipa Lite, which is a much lighter model. We weren't really anticipating of buying a car seat today. So yeah, we just popped by a West Coast Kids just to like have a hands-on on like the car seat and the stroller. But the deals were just so good that we had to take one.
They have their Black Friday sale going on, so the stocks are getting low, so we just managed to grab one.
So you can use the Nuna Pipa up to 12 months or 1 year old, compared to the Nuna Pipa Lite, which you can only use up to 6 months. So that's why we got this. It's compatible with the Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2.
That was pretty tiring.
Yeah, who knew that we've accumulated that much packages. This was kind of a small, short little vlog for us for documenting our memories on buying stuff for the baby. But we really hope that this is also helpful for you guys if you guys are parents that are also expecting.
We also wanted to say a big thank you for our family and friends for giving us these gifts. And I think there's a lot more coming that we didn't open yet.
But for anyone that are interested on diving deeper to each of these items, we're gonna put some links on the description down below so you guys can look into it. For now, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.